Welcome to this 10-minute meditation for abundance. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. With every inhale, invite calmness. With every exhale, release tension. As you settle in, bring your awareness to the idea of abundance. Abundance is not only wealth or possessions, it is love, health, peace, and opportunities flowing through your life. Silently set the intention, I open myself to receive abundance in all forms. Picture a golden light glowing in your chest, warm and radiant. With each breath, this light grows brighter, expanding outward, filling your whole body. See this light surrounding you like a field of energy, attracting positivity, prosperity, and opportunities. Imagine doors opening, connections forming, and blessings flowing toward you. Now, silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations after me. I am worthy of abundance. Abundance flows easily into my life. I release scarcity and embrace possibility. I trust that all I need is on its way to me. Feel each affirmation as truth, sinking deeply into your mind and heart. Think of 3 things in your life right now that you are grateful for. Let that gratitude fill your chest. Notice how focusing on what you already have expands your energy and invites more into your life. Gratitude is the doorway to abundance. I'd like you to list 3 things you are grateful for, and you should do this every day, whether meditating or not. Even simple things like, I am grateful that I woke up healthy today. I am grateful to have family or friends that love and care about me. I am grateful to have time to work on myself like this. Gratitude compounds and snowballs. The universe rewards those who appreciate its efforts. Now, imagine yourself, your future self, living fully in abundance. What does that version of you look like? What are they wearing? Do they have on some lovely perfume or cologne? See yourself smiling, calm, and fulfilled. Visualize yourself moving through the day with confidence, knowing the universe supports you. What would your future self, full of success and abundance, say to you right now? Just keep going. You're doing so well. Or maybe, I'm proud of you, because you should be. You should be proud of yourself right now, as well as proud of the future you that you are meeting today. So, what does abundance actually look like to you? A captain with no map may set sail, but wherever he lands isn't necessarily where he wants to be. Manifestation is the same. I am successful isn't enough. Let's set some clear goals. Think to yourself now, what is the abundance I am searching for? Me personally, I am blessed to have an abundance of people that care about me. I personally am blessed to wake up in a nice house with my beautiful cats. I am blessed to have love in my life. I am blessed that I am able to do what I love for a career and make enough to pay my bills. It is all relative. If many people woke up in mine or your life tomorrow, I am sure many people would be extremely grateful for the things that we have grown numb to. So now for your goals, let's be specific, not just I want to be rich specific. How much money do you really need? Think of 3 things that you would like to manifest now, and if possible, write them down after this meditation finishes. Maybe I would like enough money to retire my parents, or I would like financial freedom to do the things I love without stress, like travel. Or maybe you're a business person. I would like to grow $1 billion business. Believe it or not, there are plenty of those around, and the people who built them all started just like you. So now, take a moment and think of 3 things you really want to manifest. But keep in mind that self-doubt fights manifestation. If you choose something unrealistic, like, I want $1 million to show up in my bank account tomorrow, I think you know that deep down that isn't likely. Therefore, you will subconsciously fight against the manifestation. Choose things that are realistic. I'll give you that time now. If you have read books like The Secret or Feeling is the Key, you are probably already aware of how important feeling is to visualization. What you are actively trying to do is bring that moment here to you now. One of my favorite affirmations, which I have made true, is this: I am so happy and grateful to make money while I am asleep. I am so happy and grateful to have multiple sources of income. I am so happy and grateful now that money flows to me easily and effortlessly. If you ask to manifest money, take a second now. Picture, and I mean really picture, all those zeros in your bank account. Imagine how good it feels to wake up and see more money than when you went to sleep. It is possible, and you are on the way there. Repeat these affirmations with me. I am so happy and grateful to have enough money to live my life the way that I choose. I am so happy and grateful now that I have enough money to support myself and those I care about. I am so happy and grateful to be able to buy my time back and leave the rat race for good. And maybe the most important one of all, I am so happy and grateful that I get paid well, doing things that I love, and by being myself. Write down your affirmations and repeat them to yourself as much as possible, concentrating on the feeling. Otherwise, it is almost pointless. Most people that say affirmations don't work have never done them properly. Every time you watch this video, every time you do this exercise, you are building the foundation for the life you want. One day the house will be built and it will be time to move in, but it doesn't happen overnight. Keep on dreaming, keep on believing, and I'll see you in your new place soon. Now, when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day and approach everything with gratitude, because it does truly compound. If you enjoyed this meditation, please hit like and subscribe for more like this. I post meditations on wellness and inner peace, as well as manifestations. If you made it this far, leave a comment with what you're manifesting in the comments section below. Take care and remember, you are truly loved.